Dance sequences in English, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of dance sequences in English. Whether you're a dance enthusiast or just curious about this expression, this video is for you. Let's dive into what a dance sequence means and how it's used in everyday English. A dance sequence refers to a series of choreographed dance moves, performed either solo or with partners. It's like a story told through movements, expressing emotions or narrating a tale. In English, when we talk about a dance sequence, we're discussing the specific steps and patterns that make up a dance. Now, let's look at some examples. Famous dance sequences can be found in movies like Dirty Dancing or La La Land. These sequences are carefully planned and rehearsed, showcasing a mix of skills, rhythm, and expression. Remember, a dance sequence isn't just about the steps. It's about how those steps come together to create something beautiful and meaningful. Let's put our learning into practice. You might say, the ballet's final dance sequence was breathtaking, or, I'm learning a new dance sequence in my salsa class. Notice how the phrase fits naturally into different contexts related to dance. Dance sequences are more than just entertainment. They can tell a story, convey emotions, and connect cultures. In language learning, understanding such phrases enriches your vocabulary and helps you appreciate the beauty of English expressions. I hope you enjoyed learning about dance sequences and feel inspired to use this phrase in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, much like a dance, full of rhythm and discovery. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.